can't be serious. How are you serious with it? Okay. Hey, what up YouTube? Welcome back to jwash TV. Today we're doing a review on the Jordan 1 Court Purples.
So I hope you guys liked that intro. So let's get to the Court Purples. As y'all can see, Court Purples finally came in, and let's get to that unboxing. So let's get to it. This is Finish Line. Your OG box, red, white, red and black. Your size 12. You got your stamps. And there they are. Your Court Purple Jordan 1s. So that was the unboxing of it. That was an unboxing of it. So let's get straight to this. So if y'all was there on my Saturday live, y'all already know I hit a size 10 on Nike, but I canceled that because my boy T Jackson hit a size 12, obviously, for your boy. Personal pair on Finish Line. Finish Line came in today, Friday, and that's why I'm doing their late review. I like Nike just because they send them out faster. Finish Line and all the other ones are slow, but I still got the shoe, so I can't complain. So, now these right here is clean. I wanted these right here in the DMP 6s, and that's a hint. Hey, y'all have until 12 o'clock tonight, 12 o'clock in the morning, AM. So that goes until Saturday morning, 12 o'clock. The giveaway stops. I will be going to do all the entries tonight. So if you are not entered yet, you have until 12 o'clock, 7 more hours or whatever the time frame is, to go watch the video and enter the video. Make sure you do all rules, because I will not enter you. I don't care who you are. I will not enter you. You got to follow rules. You got to make sure you watch the full video, because if you don't watch the full video, you seem to skip things. So watch the full video, get all the rules out. It's a little collab video with me and T Jackson, so y'all go check that out. It'll be in the cards up here. Let's get back to this review. So, Court Purple ones. Now, this shoe right here is absolutely fire to me. Now this shoe here is super dope. That Court Purple, is that what they're calling it, is dope. Now there is pros and cons to this shoe, but the colorway on this is just simple. You got your purple all up. You got your, what is this? The leather on the heel. Now the thing I don't like about this is, let me get this out the way real quick. That's different. This leather is so trash to me on this pull tab. I'm pretty sure that's a pull tab, but anyways, I'm not going. Y'all already seen the review on these, so I'm gonna go ahead and push this out real quick for you guys. Anyways, you got purple all over the shoe. You got your white tongue. Anything inside? Same thing inside. Nike Air size 12, as you can see. Black swoosh, super dope. Now these purple laces, man, I don't even know why they even put those in. They don't even match, so I would never put those in. I'm gonna keep the black in. The leather, it's kind of trash, but hey, what can you say? Can't knock it, you know what I'm saying? They charge this extra $10, but they're not putting any quality leather on these shoes. We need that A1 steak sauce of leather. Purple bottoms. You got white all around the shoe to the other side with that black check. Purple on the back. Like I said, this is a plain shoe. All Jordan 1s come like this, just different colorway. But this shoe right here is an absolutely must pick up for me this year. I've been picking up a few shoes in here and there, but this was a must. Got a few that is a must. This is one of the pickups right here. I will be doing it on foot as I hate Jordan 1 lacing, but I'm going to lace it up for you guys right here for this on foot. So y'all stay through the whole video to check that out on foot on. And a must for me next month, I believe, is the Flint 13s. I gotta have them. If I miss the DMPs, I'm not gonna be too mad about it. I'm gonna be a little upset, but that's not a must cop. I mean, it is a must cop, kinda, you know, but I want the Flint 13s. So y'all let me know what y'all think about this shoe right here. Dope shoe, dope colorway. Now I gotta find a fit for this, and that'll be fire. This shoe right here, this quart purple, man, is so dope. Super dope in my humble opinion. Mike Rich's voice. Let me know in the comment section below if y'all guys copped this. If you copped it, if you didn't cop it, what do y'all think about this shoe right here? Like I said, I think it's a dope shoe. So I hope you guys like that intro from my woman Holly, my little wifey Holly. If y'all want to see more of her, let me know. She'll come over here and let you guys know on the shoes that I pick up, how she feels about it, if she likes it, if she doesn't. But that was a good little quick review for your boy. Black laces is what I'm gonna rock with. And make sure, like I said, go enter the giveaway. Go enter the giveaway. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be a little last one for a little bit, you know what I'm saying, until we hit some goals back on my channel, and I will be doing another giveaway at 3K or 2,500. So y'all go blow my channel up, man. Share this post, like it, comment. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on those post notifications too, so you know when I drop these bangers. These bangers, I'm blowing up right now, so let's keep growing as both of us. Everybody who's watching this channel, if you're growing with jwash TV, man, you're growing with me. It's not me just blowing up, it's absolutely y'all. Without you guys right there, I would not have any subs, any views, any likes, any comments, nothing. So thanks to you guys right there. What else I wanted to get out the way? I think I might be going live tonight. If so, it'll be 8 o'clock Central. I kind of want to do an introduction, like y'all get to know me, y'all ask me questions, and I'll make a video or go live. So I think I'm gonna make a post on the community so y'all guys can ask me questions, whatever you guys want to ask me. I'm gonna answer it in a video or live. Y'all pick it if y'all want live or video. Let me know in the comment section below. So hey, jwash TV, let's get to that on foot.
Roll on the beat.